At San Jose City College, something big is taking shape, and it's all about the future. The new Career Education Complex is the largest campus project funded by Measure X, and it's designed with one goal in mind: helping students learn by doing. This 80,000 square foot building will be the new hub for career education, bringing together cutting-edge labs, modern classrooms, and spaces built for collaboration. Students will find hands-on learning environments for high-demand fields from medical assisting simulation labs and emergency services training, HVAC, engineering, and graphic and interaction design. The building also features open study areas, outdoor plazas and terraces, a high-tech auditorium, and a bright central atrium designed to bring people together. The Career Education Complex represents SJCC's commitment to real-world learning, student success, and strong connections to Silicon Valley careers. This is where education meets opportunity.